Hello, my name is Joan Andres Caro. I am 58 years old. I am a technologist in the electricity from UPTC, University of Colombia. I studied in the SEAT Palmira Valle in the Industrial Engineering program. I work in the Electroingeniería SAS company. In this company, I am part of the Electrical Project Engineering unit, in the position of project manager, for which I must manage a person and be aware of the execution of the work to be carried out. I work the city of Tuluá Valle. I am married 8 years ago and have and 3 years old son. Recommendations for good trip to Santa Marta. My last vacation with my family. Trash 3. Consolidate an infographic, brochure and poster. On my last vacation in when with my wife and my 2 years old son to the city of Santa Marta, about a patch of 6 days and the nights in the hotel in the city. We traveled by plane from the city of Cali, Valle, to the city of Santa Marta. In this hotel, we have every night included like the room, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The hotel had and the pool, handbar courts, gym, and the beach area. In this hotel, they also offered trips to touristic sectors. One of the days, we went to visit the touristic center, the docks of the boats, the sculpture of Carlos Valderrama, and the touristic buildings of the city of San Pedro. Another day we went to the touristic beach, like the White Beach and the beaches of the Rodadero. Another day we went to the aquarium, and finally another day we went to the Tayrona Park. After 6 days, we returned to Cali and I the plane. Describe the water in the place you visited and the usage following vocabulary. 1. You must visit the Rodadero. 2. You visited the touristic sector of the city of the sculpture of Valderrama Pibe. 3. You have to visit the aquarium. 4. In the recommended visiting Tayrona Park. 5. People some eat the foods originating in this region, which very good food. 6. There are places of the White Beach where people can rest. 7. But in the hotel and in the city, there are places there they can take their children to play. 8. To the beach, they are very safe and beautiful place where at night you can do dancing and have some beers. 3. Welcome people to the place you visited last vacation. What you don't know to people to the place you visited last vacation. In the crowds cities, there are nights that the people can do hand. There are other things that the people should do not to beach. Because in can be waterful to their health and the thoughts of their family members. so that you can enjoy a wonderful vacation. These are the following recommendations. This recommendation to project user from the sunrises. In this recommended note to accept drinks to strangers of strangers. In this recommended to wear appropriate clothing and the suites. The project then when transported in the boats and beds. In this, it recommended to swim in authorized place with personal safe life. In this recommended note in the neckcloth your young children and their personal belongings. Thank you.